Hello, I'm Lucy Jennings, and here's what my course, Weave Easy Mug Rugs, is all about. It's all about turning your fabric scraps into cute little mug rugs. And the most important thing is we want to keep it fun, relaxing, and enjoyable. What if you're just getting started with weaving and you don't even have a loom yet? That's okay too. I'll show you how to make your own loom, using my template and a book as the base. Then I have sections on different ways to make the little mug rugs. You can tear the fabric, and that makes lots of texture. Have you got a lot of smaller scraps? Well, you can sew fabric pieces together and turn them into strips to weave with. And if you've got leftover embroidery floss, you can use that with the fabric to make some rather elegant little rugs. And I have a lesson that shows you some fancy knotting for the finishing. Really, you don't have to stick to mug rugs. I'll show you how to weave a sweet little wall hanging with some beaded embellishment. So if you've never woven before, this is a great introductory course to weaving. And as you can see, it's not really just about mug rugs. There are 6 projects in all, and each one will spark a lot of your own ideas along the way. So come along with me, and let's go have some fun weaving.